This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning! Gasoline is extremely flammable and repairing fuel system components can be dangerous. Consider your automotive repair knowledge and experience before attempting any repairs which may be better suited for a professional mechanic. Always have a fire extinguisher on hand and work in a well-ventilated area. Don't work in a garage with a gas-type appliance such as a water heater or clothes dryer, and never allow open flames or bare light bulbs near the work area. Clean up spills immediately and do not store fuel-soaked rags where they can ignite. Before any part of the fuel system is serviced, the fuel system pressure must be relieved. Relieve the fuel system pressure by first removing the fuel pump fuse from under the hood fuse and relay box. Start the engine and allow it to run until it stops. This should only take a few seconds. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Remove the rear seat cushion from the vehicle. Pull on the seat cushion hold-down rings to release the front end of the seat. Move the seat out of the way enough to detach the seatbelt anchor bolt. Remove the access cover for the fuel pump assembly. Disconnect the electrical connector from the fuel pump and fuel level sending unit. Clean the area on and around the top of the fuel pump to prevent any dust or debris from entering the fuel tank. Disconnect the fuel line from the fuel pump assembly, surrounding the fuel line connection with shop rags to catch any residual fuel that may leak out. Always dispose of fuel-soaked rags properly. Using a large pair of pliers, turn the lock ring on the assembly counterclockwise, then remove the lock ring. Lift the fuel pump module from the tank. Be careful not to bend the float arm. Note, the components of the fuel level sensor unit, fuel filter, and fuel pump assembly are not replaceable individually. The entire module must be replaced if any part of it is defective. Replace the O-ring seal with a new one. Caution: the manufacturer recommends that not only the O-ring is replaced with a new one, but also the lock ring. Carefully lower the fuel pump module into the fuel tank. Rotate the assembly until the alignment mark is positioned facing the front of the vehicle. Make sure the pump is seated securely. Install the fuel pump lock ring and secure it in place using a large pair of pliers, turning it clockwise. Connect the fuel line to the fuel pump. Then connect the electrical connector. Install the fuel pump access cover and mounting bolts. Install the rear seat cushion, first feeding the seat belt through the proper slot in the seat, then install the anchor bolt. Tighten the anchor bolts securely. Feed the seat belt buckles through their correct slots in the seat, mounting the rear of the seat cushion securely against the seat back. Push the front of the seat downward, securing the seat cushion rings in their retainers. Install the fuel pump fuse to the underhood fuse and relay box. Reconnect the negative battery cable.